2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, BOSE sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.